Did you know that certified cybersecurity professional can earn up to 15% more than their non-certified peers? And according to reports, the demand for cybersecurity expert is set to grow by 32% by 2031. But here's the challenge. Most candidates lack the right skills. Companies aren't just looking for degrees. They need professionals who can actively defend against cyber threats. Cybersecurity isn't just about using software. It's about staying ahead of hackers, preventing attacks and protecting critical data. And that's where certification comes in. Unlike traditional degrees that struggle to keep up with the fast-changing cybersecurity landscape, certification focuses on real-world skills like ethical hacking, network security, risk management, and compliance, all highly valued by employers. Plus, certification do more than just boost your resumes. They signal your commitment in the field. Many certifications require ongoing education to stay updated with emerging threats and technologies, ensuring you are always equipped with the latest tools to defend against cyber attacks. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding expert or have an IT degree to get started. Whether you are from a technical or non-technical background, the right certification can help you break into this booming industry. So if you're serious about a cybersecurity career, stick around. In this video, I'll be discussing 5 cybersecurity certifications from beginner to advanced that will help you get started. So let's dive in. But before we get started, let's talk a bit about why certifications are important. So first of all, they validate your skills, they enhance your earning potential, boost your credibility and open doors to better job opportunities. So talking about the beginner level certifications, if you're just starting your career in cybersecurity, CompTIA Security Plus and Certified Information Security Managers are a great entry point. These certifications provide a strong foundation in security concept, making them ideal for those looking to break in the field. So starting with CompTIA Security Plus, which is a global recognized entry-level certification that validates core security skills needed for an IT security career. It covers threat detection, network security, and risk management, making it a great starting point for anyone looking to build a strong cybersecurity foundation. So let's talk about the exam details. So the exam consists of a multiple choice and a performance-based question, which lasts 90 minutes and requires a passing score of 750 out of 900. Cost of the exam is $392. With a CompTIA Security Plus certification, you can land jobs like security specialist, security consultant, and security engineer, setting you on the right path for a cybersecurity career. Moving ahead with CISM or Certified Information Security Manager is a management level certification designed for professionals who want to lead cybersecurity team and handle enterprise security governance. It covers information security, risk management, security program development, and incident management, with a special focus on emerging technologies like AI and blockchain. Talking about CISM certification exam details, this exam is a 4-hour test with 150 multiple choice questions and candidates need a score of 450 or higher to pass, and the exam fees is $760. This certification is perfect for those aiming for a leadership role, including Chief Information Security Officer (CISO), Information System Security Officer, and Information and Privacy Risk Consultant. Moving ahead with advanced level certification, so for those looking to specialize in cybersecurity and take on more technical role, certification like Certified Ethical Hacker, Offensive Security Certified Professional (OSCP), and CISSP Certified Information System Security Professional provide in-depth expertise in ethical hacking, penetration testing, and security architecture. So first we have CEH or Certified Ethical Hacker. It's a certification designed for professionals who want to identify system vulnerabilities by simulating real attacks. It covers key hacking techniques such as footprinting, scanning network, enumeration, system hacking, web application security, cryptography, and social engineering. Now talking about the CEH certification exam details, the exam consists of 125 multiple choice question and candidates need at least a 70% score to pass. And the exam fee is $1,200. With CEH certification, you can work as security consultant, penetration tester, or cybersecurity manager, making it a great choice for those who want to specialize in ethical hacking. Moving ahead with OSCP or Offensive Security Certified Professional is one of the most respected certification in penetration testing. Unlike traditional exam, OSCP is completely practical, requiring candidates to break into real system and submit a detailed security report. It covers Linux and Windows security, advanced threat evasion techniques, and penetration testing methodologies. Talking about the exam detail, the exam is 24 hours proctored test and candidates need to score 70 points out of 100 to pass. And the exam cost is $1,650. OSCP certified professional can pursue roles like security specialist, security code auditor, and malware analyst, making it a gold standard for penetration tester. Finally, we have CISSP Certified Information System Security Professional, one of the most comprehensive certification in cybersecurity. It covers risk management, security architecture, incident response, identify and access management, and security best practices, making it an excellent choice for those aiming for leadership role in cybersecurity. The exam consists of 150 multiple choice question and a candidate need a minimum score of 700 out of 1000 to pass. The exam cost is $750. With CISSP certification, you can qualify for roles like cybersecurity architect, information security analyst, and compliance manager, making it one of the most versatile certification in industry. Now, after exploring these certifications, you might be wondering which one you should choose. If you are starting out, CompTIA Security Plus and CISM are great foundation. If ethical hacking excites you, go for CEH or OSCP. And for high-level certification roles, CISSP is the way to go. But what if I told you in just one go you can learn the skills required for both CEH and CISSP certification? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Intellipaat, in collaboration with iHub, IIT Roorkee and EC Council, the very organization that offers CEH certification itself, is offering a top-notch cybersecurity course that equips you with right skills to become CEH and CISSP certified. This is your chance to fast-track your cybersecurity career with expert-led training and industry-recognized certification preparation. So if you're serious about cybersecurity and want a structured way to learn from the best in the industry, check out Intellipaat's cybersecurity course. The link is given in the description. So that's all from my side. If you have liked this video, kindly hit the like and subscribe button for Intellipaat's YouTube channel.
Just a quick info guys. Intellipaat provides an advanced certification in cybersecurity by EICT Academy IIT Guwahati. You will get to learn the most important concepts such as ethical hacking, penetration testing, and network security in this course. You'll get to learn from IIT faculty and industry experts. Reach us out to know more.